Natural disaster resilience is the intended focus of a planned series of town hall meetings across the country. It's a local government ministry initiative, but at the first meeting in Falmouth Trelawney, an even greater national threat took the spotlight. Climate change and its ill effects were supposed to be the local government minister DESMOND McKenzie's focus at Thursday's town hall meeting in Falmouth.
But while natural disasters are anticipated, the kind of human disaster that we are experiencing now, ladies and gentlemen, will perhaps be the only disaster that we have to concentrate our efforts on.
This human disaster? Crime, especially murders. Mr. McKenzie's shift of focus is as a result of a spike in murders over the past few weeks, a spike which now sees more people being affected.
2 family members of mine were actually shot.
Surprise for the security forces.
This is new, certainly in recent times. We weren't getting these kind of shooting and murders of this magnitude.
And more grief for residents.
I saw him to her and him say she did. And the last time she sent my sister one flowers for WhatsApp. I said, last contact we have with her.
According to Mr. McKenzie, the time has come for a unified approach to reducing the wanton killings, as criminality knows no class, color, or political boundary. It's why he has changed this climate change crusade from the get-go.
Let us start this crusade to save this country from these criminals and heartless and wicked people.
In addition to the grief, he again pointed out that crime continues to cost the country financially, as millions of dollars are spent each year in the health sector to treat victims of violence. Among his recommendations, more support for the government's efforts and greater cooperation with the security forces.
This country must stand up to this terror that has been unleashed on us.